Imagine all the data on your shop floor. Do you know how to make the most of it? How about cybersecurity? Are you confident in your security measures? What about the automation in your production? Sure, it's fast and reliable, but can you imagine making it flexible enough to respond quickly to market changes? Do you also know how to become more sustainable? What about upcoming regulatory changes and your plant's CO2 emissions? The secret to your success lies in combining the real and the digital worlds. And guess what? You don't have to start from scratch. At The Impulse, you can see up close how it all works and gain new, well, impulses for your business. We have a range of industrial use cases featuring digital twins, IT/OT integration, artificial intelligence, or sustainability, and much more that you can explore and discuss with our dedicated experts. But it's not just talk, but also walk, literally. You can walk from The Impulse straight into the heart of our production facilities and discover how they become a digital enterprise. We proudly call our factories Customer Zero because they serve as the ultimate testing ground for our cutting-edge automation products and software solutions. And after seeing that we drink our own champagne, you might be in the mood for a salad. We're not kidding. At The Impulse, we take sustainability to heart, which is why we work on initiatives like vertical farming and energy management solutions that drive the transition towards a carbon-neutral future. And if you're feeling inspired by our commitment to excellence, let us tell you that our Amberg site is recognized as a sustainability lighthouse by the World Economic Forum. So, whether you are an industry leader, strategist, machine builder, or a true tech expert, we have a tailored tour, in-depth session, or workshop just for you. Join our tour now and let us inspire you and share our passion for discovery. Welcome to the future of industry. Welcome to The Impulse.